In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to external wallet. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So you can instantly send Bitcoin to any cash tag or another Lightning compatible wallet for free with Cash App. So to send a Bitcoin, the first thing you want to do is to navigate to your Cash App payment pad. Now tap the USD toggle and select Bitcoin. Enter at least $1 and tap on Pay. Now find your recipient's cash tag or current phone number or email address. Now tap on Pay. You can also send Bitcoin using the Lightning or the Bitcoin network. So the first thing you want to do is to tap the Money tab on your Cash App home screen. Now tap on the Bitcoin tile. Tap the airplane button. Now choose Send Bitcoin. Now enter the amount and the recipient's cash tag or Bitcoin address. Now tap on Next, select a speed, and tap Confirm and Send. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.